Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can tag somebody on Facebook. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. But now let me show you how you tag somebody on Facebook. So if you want to post something on Facebook, you basically have three main ways to tag somebody in your post. The first way is writing an ad character, and then Facebook is gonna give you the options of the people you can tag in your post, and you just need to click on their names and they are basically tagged, and it's gonna be shown in a text format in your post basically. So the second option you have is you basically just need to start to write their name without anything, and Facebook is gonna show you the names that match the filter, and you just click on their names. If you don't want the people's name to be shown in the post itself, you have to click on this tag icon. You're gonna search for the name, you just click on the name, and basically this person is tagged if you click done. If you want to remove the tag of this person, you just click on the same icon and remove them by clicking this here. Alright, so all in all, this is how you tag someone on Facebook. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well that you can also find in the video description below.